Making carbonara is already one of life's simple joys. But have you ever tried adding cream of mushroom to the mix? It's like upgrading a classic car with sleek new features. The richness goes into overdrive. Traditionalists might scream, "Blasphemy!" And sure, I get it, but sometimes rules are meant to be broken. Food is personal, and if it tastes good, who cares? Adding cream of mushroom creates a fusion of creamy, umami-filled goodness that's just ridiculous. The first thing you absolutely need is good pasta. None of that weird, generic, brittle stuff that barely survives boiling. Go for spaghetti or fettuccine. You want something that can hold on to all that sauce. Next, you'll need bacon. Pancetta is more traditional, but let's keep this accessible. Dice the bacon into small pieces because these bits are going to give you bursts of smoky, salty flavor in every bite. Cook until crispy. Now, here's where the mushroom magic comes in. A can of cream of mushroom soup. This is your shortcut to Flavorville. You don't even have to think about seasoning because it's already packed with that savory punch. As the bacon crisps, drain the excess grease, but leave a little. This is not the time to be afraid of fat. Toss in minced garlic and cook it for about 30 seconds. Your kitchen will smell like a dream at this point. Pro tip, don't pour the cream of mushroom straight from the can. Thin it out with about half a cup of pasta water. This simple move ensures it integrates smoothly with everything and doesn't feel too heavy. Now, drop your cooked pasta into the pan with the bacon and garlic. Pour in your diluted cream of mushroom, toss everything rapidly, let that heat do its thing. You're basically building layers of flavor here. At this point, most carbonara involves mixing in egg yolks. Still do it, just whisk them separately with a touch of grated Parmesan first. Turn off the heat and fold the egg mixture in. The residual heat will cook it. Oh, speaking of Parmesan, this is non-negotiable. Grate it fresh. No, not the shakeable stuff in the green can. Heap it on top like it's your job. You'll thank yourself later when that umami hits. Optional, but incredibly worth it. Add a touch of black pepper. Carbonara without pepper is like listening to music without a bass line. It just doesn't punch the way it should. Most even like to freshly crack it for extra aroma. Serve it hot, obviously, because cold carbonara tends to clump. And if you're feeling fancy, garnish with some parsley for color. But frankly, this dish tastes so good you don't need the visual fireworks. This version of carbonara isn't about showing off or being authentic. It's about comfort food at its finest. Creamy, smoky, and rich with that subtle earthiness from the mushroom. It's the dining equivalent of a warm hug.